Nothing says happy birthday better than showing the love, giving the hugs, and certainly receiving all of the kisses. And this week, we have been celebrating all week Papa's birthday, my hubby. And it's been so much fun. We started off the week having dinner with family, and then during the week, we actually had a day that we could spend with the children, with the grandkids, and do all kinds of fun things. We were able to go bowling. The girls got to do their cooking, which they absolutely love. One granddaughter loves to wash the dishes. Oh, thank you. And so we just had a great time and enjoyed every second. I had a few surprises along the way, and so we're just enjoying and thanking God for every moment that we have. Now, family, Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen is all about the family and showing the love. We want our family members and friends to know that we love them no matter what. No matter what. Remember, forget those things that fall into the gravy bowl, and it's all about God and family. So, watch and you're going to see how much fun we had. All right. Well, we have Christina, and Christina is working the flour.
Yes,
and,
I love to work
in the flour. She likes the feel of the flour, and she has her hands in the leftover flour because what have we been doing, Christina?
We've been working all the time.
And what do we make?
Spaghetti, bread.
And bread, our daily bread, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, how about that? So Christina's over there and she's got those hands. Hold your hands up so they can see. Oh my goodness. She is just ready for more and more bread. Great job, Christina.
Oh, and make sure to watch more videos of me. See you next time. She's recording you.
Well, I've got Brianna, and Brianna is over at the stove, and she is working on a humongous batch of spaghetti. She's got some in this pot that's on the stove, and if you look at my videos, you're going to see that I have a video, and I'll try to remember to link it, but I have a video on spaghetti sauce for a crowd. And that's usually when the kids are here, and we've got everyone ready to have spaghetti. So she is working on the sauce, making sure it doesn't stick. She has our favorite wooden spoon. And talk about the bottom of that wooden spoon, Brianna.
Okay, so when you're making spaghetti sauce and you use this wooden spoon and you see how it's flat, you use that and you put it on the bottom and you just kind of scrape the stuff off very, very easily, and you be very gentle so nothing bad happens. You don't get any wood inside.
No wood, no sticky.
Inside the sauce. So, and for some reason, tomato sauce really likes sticking to the bottom of pots. So that's yeah.
And what else did we make over here that we've got waiting to go in the oven?
Bread.
Oh my goodness, we have a bowl of bread that is just ready for the oven. We're just waiting for that oven to come up to temperature. And we even have a bowl with a second bowl that we'll actually have two to finish up. So we've got spaghetti sauce over in the crock, and it's pretty full. We had actually, the reason we ended up with two pots was because we had so much that we had to take some out We did a pot on the stove and a pot in the crock pot. So this is midday in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we work hard. We love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. I hope you enjoy your afternoon. All right. Well, I had to show you. When we went bowling, I ran into a friend who has a friend who has a farm. And guess what? He brought me an entire case of kale. So just guess what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be packing this kale up, getting it cleaned off, and put into the freezer. It's going to have to be blanched and then put into the freezer. So I'm going to be a busy girl for the rest of the day, but we have had such a fun day of bowling and cooking, and Bernie was gaming and doing all kinds of things, and it's all about the love in the kitchen. So I hope that you will just enjoy your day in the kitchen as I am enjoying mine. So as we look out this window, there you go, bam, that's what it's all about. Family, love, most of all, God. Have a wonderful evening. Christina is working the flour.
Yes,
and,
I love to work.
And the flour. She likes the feel of the flour. And she has her hands in the leftover flour because what have we been doing, Christina?
We've been working all the time.
And what do we make?
Spaghetti, bread.
And bread, our daily bread, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, how about that? So Christina's over there and she's got those hands. Hold your hands up so they can see. Oh my goodness. She is just ready for more and more bread. Great job, Christina.
Oh, and make sure to watch more videos of me. See you next time. So, it's a great day. I hope you guys love this. And we hope you have great times and hope people travel, come back.